Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, so I got that rear crossmember piece welded completely in. I got the driver's side shock plates welded in place, and I discovered something. I put the plates in place, and then I kind of had to notch them out, so to speak, for the shock to actually fit in, which I knew I was going to have to do. I just figured it's easier to do once it's in place. When I was doing it, all of a sudden the plasma cutter stopped working. I was like, that's weird. So I started messing around with it, and I realized the connection on the wall was actually faulty. So I was like, Now, of course, I finished all my welding, and I went and fixed the connection on the wall, and then I went and I practice welded, and of course, now it welds perfectly. So that was my fault. Anyway, so just want to show you the finished product here. So there's that side, a little runny undercoating, who cares? That's all in place, shocks are in place, and there's the brackets that I made. And like I said, they were just flat steel, and what I did was I welded them in place first, and then I notched them so the shock would fit. And it looks pretty good now. Everything's good. Like I said, a little boogery weld, but what are you gonna do? Truck's only gonna last another year, maybe 2 if he's lucky. And I bet you those welds will hang out even longer than that. So, but for now, I'm gonna get ready to put the gas tank and all that other stuff in, and I got a few other things I need to do to this truck, and then it's all done. So that's it for today. Enjoy your weekend, guys, and keep wrenching.